The legal landscape for Nnamdi Kanu's trial has now been firmly established, and the clarity of the proceedings is unmistakable. As anticipated in our recent post, the defense team was led today by the highly respected and senior Nigerian lawyer, Chief Kanu Godwin Agabi, S-A-N-C-O-N. Alongside him were Uchenna Njoku, S-A-N, and Aloy Ejimakor, Eskins, the special counsel who has been instrumental in stabilizing and sanitizing the defense since his involvement as the lead. In line with the established practice for this case, the defense submitted a list of lawyers and family members permitted to attend the trial. The updated list reflects the new configuration of the legal team, demonstrating a strategic recalibration. The hierarchy of the defense team, in order of seniority, includes Chief Kanu G. Agabi, son, Uchenna Njoku, son, Aloy, Ejimako, Esku, Pan Ejiofo, Esku, Maxwell Opara, Esku, Patrick Agazi, Esku, Emmanuel Ezeogu, Askuwenu, Jude Ugwani, Asku, Mandela Umegborogu, Asku, Mary Frances Orji, Asku, Akena Nwangu, Asku, and Elom Christian, Asku. Additionally, a list of Kanu's family members, friends, and supporters allowed into the courtroom was provided. This included Prince Emmanuel Kanu, Princess Favor Kanu, Princess Nena Kanu, Miss Chidinma Frederick, Mr. Omoyele Sowore, Honorable Obi Agwocha, Hon Ikenga Ugochinyer, HRM Ize Dr. Chukwuemeka Eri, Chief Barrister, Chukwudi Ez Obika, Chief Barrister, Godson Okoye, High Chief Chinazo Nwolisa, Chief Vin Anene, Eze Enyinda Ogunka, Emeka Ebogu, Benson Erewa, Chidi Okala, Mazi Umshichiemeli, and Mazi Onu Ikpe. Both the court and Kanu's defense team made concerted efforts to ensure an orderly process and maintain security by clearly delineating who was permitted to attend. The prosecution team was led by Chief Adam Moyega Moig Awomolo, S.A.N., who also serves as the chair of the body of benches. His presence indicates the government's decision to prioritize experience over emotion in the prosecution of the case moving forward. When the case was called, the defense's approach displayed a marked change in tempo and tone compared to previous hearings. Chief Agabi, after listing the defense team members, began by apologizing to the court, the prosecution, and his own team for Kanu's behavior during the last two hearings. This apology, authorized by Kanu, was a significant move, signaling a shift in the dynamics of the case's management. It demonstrated that the lawyer, rather than the client, would set the pace and control the actions in court. The importance of this apology cannot be overstated. It underscores the principle of client control, a fundamental aspect of effective legal representation. Only a confident, competent, and respected lawyer like Agabi would insist on such control, making it a likely condition for his involvement. Kanu's acceptance of this control marks a departure from his previous relationship with his former lawyer, Mr. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, where Kanu essentially led the defense and used Ejiofor's license to represent himself. The transition began with Ejimako's leadership and is now complete with Agabi and Njoku on board. Apologizing for Kanu's past conduct was crucial in resetting the tone and temperament of the trial. Although Justice Omotosho only began presiding over the case today, he was undoubtedly aware of Kanu's previous confrontational behavior. Agabi's apology effectively communicated a new beginning, assuring the court of a more orderly and professional approach moving forward. This strategic move in courtroom psychology was pivotal in setting a positive atmosphere. Following the apology, the judge responded graciously, noting that Kanu has been on trial for a decade, from the age of 47 to 57. In the spirit of this new approach, the defense wisely refrained from raising any preliminary objections today. Kanu entered a plea of not guilty, and the case was adjourned for further hearing. The defense plans to submit a bail application soon, with a good chance of success. If bail is not granted, the court may order Kanu's remand in Kuji Correctional Facility instead of remaining in the custody of the Department of State Security, DSS, while expediting the trial. This new direction increases the likelihood of a judicial solution, potentially sparing Nigeria further international embarrassment. The involvement of seasoned legal professionals and the shift in courtroom dynamics herald a hopeful path forward for Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Case was adjourned to April 29th, May 2nd and 6th, 2025.